Hello there and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. We're looking at day and night. So the Earth spins round an imaginary line called an axis. So this is what we call the axis. This is an imaginary line. Okay, and the Earth is spinning all the way around, slowly but surely, just like this. So it's kind of spinning all the way around constantly. Again and again and again and again and again. Okay. The axis runs from the north to the south pole. So there's the north pole and the south pole. The Earth turns once every 24 hours, and 24 hours makes a whole day. During the day, we face towards the sun, and at night, we face away from the sun. So you can see here that this is going to be daylight because sun coming, and on the road is going to be night. So let's have a look at the sunrise and the sunset. So the sun and other stars appear to slowly move across the sky because the Earth is turning, and the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west. So the sun always rises in the east and it will always set in the west. Okay, and midday is right in the middle of the day when the sun is actually at its highest. So midday means 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So if, for example, you were standing in the morning, you had a stick, and this particular stick will cast a long shadow in the morning and will cast a long shadow in the evening because of the rotation of the Earth. All right, hope that makes sense. Good luck with the rest of the questions, and we'll follow this up in our next class. Thank you.